Turning yourself from broke to rich is a challenging task that requires a combination of effort, discipline, and smart financial strategies. Here are some steps you can take. Number 1. Set clear goals. Define your financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. With a clear vision of what you want to accomplish will help you stay motivated and focused on your journey to wealth. Number 2. Improve your skills and education. Invest in yourself by acquiring new skills and knowledge. It could be pursuing higher education, attending workshops or seminars, or learn a practical skills relevant to you. Increasing your knowledge can enhance your earning potential and open up new opportunities. Number 3. Create a budget. Develop a realistic budget to manage your expenses and track your income. Categorize your expenses, prioritize essential items, and eliminate unnecessary spending. Make sure to save a portion of your income regularly. Number 4. Reduce debt. If you have existing debts, focus on paying them off as soon as possible. Start with high-interest debts first, such as credit card debt, and consider debt consolidation or negotiations. Number 5. Increase your income. Look for ways to boost your income. This might involve seeking a higher-paying job, negotiating a raise or promotion, starting a side business, freelancing, or investing in income-generating assets such as stocks or real estate. Number 6. Save and invest wisely. Develop good saving habits and create an emergency fund to handle unexpected expenses. Invest your savings in a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to make informed investment decisions. Number 7. Network and build relationships. Connect with like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs, and professionals in your field of interest. Building a strong network can provide you with valuable opportunities, mentorship, and insights into lucrative ventures. Number 8. Continuously learn and adapt. Stay up to date with market trends, technological advancements, and industry developments. Embrace a growth mindset. Number 9. Practice discipline and delay gratification. Wealth accumulation requires discipline and the ability to delay immediate gratification. Avoid impulsive purchases and focus on long-term financial stability. Remember, the path to wealth is a journey that takes time and effort. Stay committed, be patient, and celebrate small victories along the way.